This is going to be a high voltage episode! Because of energy, not because of me. Hi, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian in New York City, and it's my job to help you figure out what to eat and why. If you feel like your energy isn't quite what it should be, I've got you. Here are some tips for eating for more energy levels stat. Spirit fingers, all the energy in the world. Eggs. They're packed with protein, which provides a steady source of energy because it does not cause spikes in blood sugar and insulin. Eggs also contain B vitamins, which help enzymes perform their role in the process of breaking down food for energy. Hey, you don't look great. You may be suffering from a lack of vitamin B. And eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids and are capable of restoring energy in the muscles. Therefore, eggs are an excellent food to consume after a busy day to replenish your energy or when you're feeling a little sluggish. Bonus, the leucine and amino acid in eggs can stimulate energy production and can even increase the breakdown of fat to produce energy. Spinach. Who needs meat to get iron? Spinach is a top source of iron. Iron is needed to produce hemoglobin, which is basically an Uber responsible for transporting oxygen to different parts of the body to keep your organs alive. Iron is also an essential nutrient for the maintenance of red blood cells. When iron is available to replenish red blood cells, you will feel more alert and energized. Hot tip, cook your spinach and it will increase the amount of bioavailable iron for absorption. Bananas may be the best for energy and super easy to munch on before your next workout because they are a great source of high-quality carbs, potassium, and B6, all natural energy boosters. Bananas contain natural sugar, not added sugar, and all natural fiber. So don't fear the banana. They're an optimal, easy, cheap, and convenient choice for gaining a quick burst of energy while reducing the likeliness of a sugar crash when compared to foods containing a ton of added and refined sugars. Bananas, the world's most appealing snack. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are great sources of protein, fatty acids, and B vitamins. Isn't B vitamin beautiful? The omega-3s in fish have been shown to squash inflammation and reduce fatigue. And remember that B vitamins in fatty fish like vitamin B12 and folic acid are your energy-boosting besties. Brown rice. Carb time. Brown rice, baby. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Brown rice has high fiber content and low glycemic index and will help to regulate blood sugar levels, keeping your energy levels consistent throughout the day. Other complex carbs that are energy boosting and help energy become available in the body are quinoa, beans, farro, and oats. Greek yogurt is rich in protein. It has 3 times the amount of protein than regular yogurt, which will keep you fuller longer than traditional yogurt. And Greek yogurt is high in, you guessed it, B vitamins. Time to join the beehive, B vitamins that is. Eat foods that have a low glycemic index. Low glycemic foods equals no super quick rise in blood sugar, which equals no crash. Therefore, consistent energy levels. Yahoo! Look for foods with low glycemic high fiber, such as whole grains. High fiber veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, plus nuts and heart-healthy oils. Drink water throughout the day. Our bodies are 70% water. If we are dehydrated or low on the water intake, you will feel sluggish and parched. It has been proven that water consumption is essential to keep the human body running, and lack of adequate water can leave you feeling fatigued and hungry. So, next time you're feeling like you need a nap, try drinking a glass of water first. Eat breakfast. Eating breakfast will wake up your metabolism. Breakfast high in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fat will make you feel fuller longer, stay energized throughout the day, and prevent you from craving sugary foods. Eat small, frequent meals as often as you are hungry. Studies have shown that eating larger meals, especially at lunch, can lead to an afternoon slump. Limit your alcohol intake. Alcohol is a depressant which slows down brain activity that can cause drowsiness the day after happy hour hits. Drink caffeine as needed, but sparingly. Look, I'm not saying to put the coffee down entirely, but if you consume too much caffeine, you could become immune to its stimulating effects. In addition, try swapping your morning coffee for a cup of green tea or super trendy matcha ever so often, as green tea releases caffeine more steadily throughout the day, leaving you less jittery and preventing a coffee deprivation crash. You now have all the tools you need to keep that pep in your step. Now go and get all the things done that you gotta get done, you busy bee. See you next time for another episode of You vs. Food. Now that you have all of that energy, why don't you put it to good use and subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel? We've got energy, eating all that vitamin B.